So over here, you can see that I am in the media library right now. So now what I can actually go ahead and do is see all of the medias right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go to media section right here, and then you see the media library around over here just like this. But let's say what I want to do is I want to add my own pictures to the media library as well. And in order to do that, you need to click on add new right here. And then what you can simply do is go around onto your drive right here, and then go around onto images right here as well. So now once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go ahead and choose, let's say for example, these particular images right here. So let's just go around and choose the images that I want to upload, then click on open, and then what happens is that all of these images will be uploaded right here onto the media library. Now in your post and so forth, you can simply go ahead and bring all of those in easily as well. And that is how you can go ahead and add in your own media library inside of WordPress. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.